Hey there, YouTube. So I guess I was a little caught off guard by the weather here. I hadn't really been paying attention to the weather report. And yeah, I had the truck parked inside doing some work on it. And looks like we're going to get about 6 inches of snow today. So I'm going to go ahead and get this Jaguar parked back inside before it gets any colder. Now, if you're not familiar with this car, which I'm assuming most people that are going to watch this are, it's a small block Chevy powered 1993 Jaguar XJS with the root style supercharger on it. Now, I haven't cold started it on this setup yet with this carburetor and the supercharger, so I'm a little curious to see how it's going to do, and I thought maybe some of you guys might be too. So anyway, without any further ado, because it's cold out here, let's get to it. Whew, it's cold. Important note to self: supercharged Jaguar, not good in the snow. Anyway, you guys, hope you enjoyed that. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you. Have a good day.